What's up, guys? All right, so I want to talk about the most annoying thing on. Actually, there's two annoying things. There's safety things. I understand that they're safety things, but I don't care. I want them out. So one of the things is the seats. I fixed that. Now sometimes you're sitting in the seat and you want to lift up to go look at something, and the tractor shuts off. All right, so right now the tractor's on and she's in neutral. Nobody's there. Tractor stays on. Look at that. Yay. All right, so you got the seat. Over here you got two wires for this alarm. Now, I didn't want to cut anything or do anything, crazy or... So all you got to do is connect the two wires together, okay? And it disables it. It's basically a closed circuit. So in order to alleviate that, I bought this connector at an auto parts store. Just shut off the engine. I bought this connector at an auto parts store. All you do is slide the two wires in. You close it, take a pair of channel locks or pliers, squeeze down, and it connects these two wires together. No more problem. I know this is going to help, so hook the brother up, subscribe. So one other thing I fixed that I'm going to do a video on later is the PTO. The PTO, if you're mowing the lawn, at least once or twice you forget that you have to pull that thing out because you only use it 2-3 times you're in a mow, and the engine shuts off, and it was very annoying. So I went ahead and fixed that. So now I can go in reverse and do whatever I want, and it doesn't shut off anymore. Over there, I'm in the middle of using the box blade. Ground wound up being a little too wet for me to finish, so subscribe to the channel if you want to see all my attachments and stuff like that being used. I'm going to be going through it all year. But yeah, take a look at the channel if you haven't already, and subscribe. And I hope this helped.